The ISSF Shooting World Cup also boasts of world champions and Paris Olympics medalists who came to India to participate in the season-ending World Cup. One such shooter is Switzerland's Chiara Leone, who won gold medal in women's rifle 3 positions at the Paris Olympics. DD India's Abhishek talked exclusively to Chiara. Take a listen.
We are at the Dr. Karni Singh shooting range in New Delhi, and the ISSF Shooting World Cup final is underway here. Right now with me is Chiara Leone, the Paris Olympics women's rifle 3 positions champion. Chiara, you won gold at Paris and also you're the world championship gold medalist. So take us through the experience of Paris Olympics and what experience did you had there in your way to the gold?
I mean, my way to the Olympics was not so easy. I just qualified in the last moment, so I just took the last quota place that was available for the Paris Olympics. So I only knew roughly 2 months before the Olympics that I really could compete. So I know I've already had a hard season, which was really successful. So I knew I was in good shape, and I was really looking forward to Paris to really compete there. And I was really happy being there. And yeah, I could pull off a really good performance. I'm really satisfied with my work there that I did, and I had a good mental state. I was really pushing myself to work hard, and in the end, yeah, it all worked out. I won the Olympic gold, which is has been a dream of mine since a long time, and overall it just has been a crazy experience with being in the Olympic Village, meeting a lot of Olympic athletes, and this is just crazy, yeah.
Chiara, when you talk about shooting, then there are Chinese shooters, there are USA shooters, and there are Korean shooters. So you must have faced great challenges there in the final. So can you take us through the mindset that this particular athletes have in their mind, because of which they perform consistently well?
I mean, they're obviously very focused, and they train hard and a lot from a young age on. They really try to be really good at a young age, and this is something which is a little bit different in Europe. Most of us do first the education and then you turn into a professional athlete. I mean, I did the same, so this is one big difference, but I mean, we try to get as close as them as possible, and sometimes we win against them, which is really cool for us. But still, obviously, they have a lot of good shooters. They have so many people that are good in shooting, which, for example, in Switzerland, we're not that big, so for us it's really important. If you have one shooter, we really try to be the best. And yeah.
Okay, so coming to Switzerland only, so how much popular the sport is in Switzerland, and what challenges and you had to face to becoming a professional shooter, and now you are an Olympic champion?
Switzerland is actually really big in shooting because we have a big tradition. It's like a traditional sport. Not the discipline that is in the Olympics, but 300-meter shooting is very popular. And what is a little bit crazy about Switzerland, nearly every village has its own shooting range, even if it's only 2 or 3 places, but we have one. And yeah, my way to the Olympics was not the easiest because at the moment we have a really strong Swiss team in the women's field. So we were 3 athletes who competed for the 2 spots that we won. So one of us couldn't compete in the Olympics, but she was good enough to compete here at the World Cup final, which means she's one of the best in the world. So it was not easy. It was a lot of stress, and I really had to perform well the whole year to be able to contend in the Olympics. Yeah.
Okay. The last question is, obviously the Los Angeles Olympics is 4 years down the line from here, but what's your next aim from here? What do you look at?
But I mean, for the next few years, my goal will be to try to be one of the best athletes in the world, to win medals, which I hopefully can do, and then we'll see how it goes from there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So that was Chiara Leone, who was telling about her gold medal triumph at Paris and her next aim to maintain consistency and win back-to-back medals in the upcoming Olympic cycle. With cameraman Rahul Chopra, this is Abhishek Prasad for DD India.